Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will create a policy so that devices in the domain can be accessed using RDP. Currently I have not created a policy and cannot access other devices in the domain. The IP address that I want to access using RDP is 10.1.16.137. The latest updated versions of Windows will block other devices from pinging the user's computer. I will create rules to allow this computer to be pinged. Rules will be created in two directions, inbound and outbound. I will open all ports for practice. To be safe, you should allow ICMP and port 3389 of the RDP protocol. I have successfully pinged the user's computer device. But I still cannot access the device without creating a policy in the domain. To create a new policy, select Group Policy Management. Then create a new GPO. Edit the GPO as shown in the video tutorial. In this step I will enable the Telnet feature at the server. You can skip this step. When I create the GPO and edit it, I will create additional rules in the firewall to allow ports and protocols to be passed on the server, both inbound and outbound directions. It seems the policies are not working yet. Type update to let the server set up the machine's policies. I will check the parameters and policies again. The policy has been updated. Now I can access other computers in the domain. I will log in with an admin account. So it was successful. The computer cannot access two users at the same time. If I log in with the admin account, the other user will be logged out. I will end the video here. If you have difficulty during the configuration process, please contact me in the description or join my Telegram group for support. Goodbye.